Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to draw in Adobe Acrobat. So first head over and launch your Adobe Acrobat and start opening up a file. Now here, right off the bat, you can see a small toolbar in this section. And to draw, head over and just click on this spiral-like icon. Click on it. And here you can see the draw tool. With the draw tool, head over and draw on your file. You can also change the color of your pen or pencil by clicking on this color circle. Click on this icon and change with the color you would like to draw with. And just by that, you can now draw with different colors on your file. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!